What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm out here and I'm testing out this GoPro Hero 11. Now recently they have launched the GoPro Hero 13. The question is, should I be upgrading to the GoPro Hero 13? Because all I'm seeing is that they have included a lot of accessories which I might not use, because as you can see right now the quality for me is quite fine for what I'm doing. And just to point that out, so if you are coming from a Hero 11, you might not need to upgrade as yet, depending on what you're shooting, as I said earlier on. And I have seen a lot of creators are comparing the GoPro to like a pocket camera, saying that why is that GoPro is not included a 1-inch sensor into a camera, and a lot of debating going on. So let me know what you think about that, if GoPro should include a 1-inch sensor or keep it at the way it is. But for me, for a person who is doing like outdoor adventure, whether for biking and all those things, I think that this is just an action camera. Many persons might be using it wrong, or I would say you think they're asking for too much in this camera right here. Let me know in the comment section what your views and thoughts about the new launching of the GoPro Hero 13. But today I'm just testing this out, the features of this GoPro Hero 11 right here. So if this still a good camera right here in 2024 and beyond. I have previously did a video on my GoPro Hero 5. That camera, you can click the card above to watch that video to see some of the footage of that camera. Now I did get some bit amount of shaky in terms of the stabilization, but I have seen that they have improved a lot of in the stabilization over the years in most of the GoPro camera. I can say that coming from a Hero 11, Hero 12, there's not really much of a improvement with the GoPro Hero 13. Let me know what you guys think and in this comment section right here.